Good morning, students. Continuing with the new next topic of the operators, we will begin with the conditional operators. Conditional operators. Now, what are these? These are the shortcut conditional operators that stores a value depending upon a condition. And this operator is also known as ternary operator. Fine. The other name for conditional operator is ternary operator. What is the syntax of it? Means depending on the condition, if it is true, it will give you one value, and if it is false, it will give you some other value. Like for example, the syntax of it is expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon sign, and expression 3. Fine. What is the meaning of it? That this expression 1 here is the condition, and if this condition is true, if this expression is true, it will give you the result as expression 2, and if it is false, then it will give you the result as expression 3. Example I'm giving you of it is example is equal to marks greater than or equal to 50 question mark, result is pass colon else result is fail. Sorry, here pass is the string type. Fine. And if I take marks given as 100, so this is an example result. This means if marks is greater than equal to 50, then the student will be declared pass, and if this condition is false, means marks is less than 50, then he will be fail. Fine. And we are taking here, if marks is 100, 100 is greater than 50, the result is true, so result is equal to pass, as 100 is greater than 50. And if